Today, I'll show you how to delete labels in Protonmail. If you've been organizing your inbox with labels but now want to clean things up, maybe remove labels you don't use anymore or simplify your folder list, this walkthrough will make the process quick and straightforward. We'll go step by step, and I'll also point out a few things to keep in mind so you don't accidentally delete something you still need. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. This process is done in the web interface, so make sure you're using a desktop or laptop browser for the clearest view. Once you're on the site, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. After you log in, you'll land in your inbox where you can see your messages and the main navigation layout. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main sidebar. This is where Protonmail lists things like your inbox, sent, drafts, and other main folders. In that same area, you'll also find your labels. Depending on how many labels you've created, this list might be short and simple, or it might be quite long. Scroll through the left sidebar until you see the section labeled Labels. All of your custom labels should appear under that heading. Take a moment to locate the specific label you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check that this is really the one you want to remove, especially if you use similar names. Remember, deleting a label will remove that label from your messages, but it does not delete the emails themselves. The messages will still be in your account, they just won't be grouped under that label anymore. Keeping this in mind can give you some peace of mind while cleaning up. Once you've found the label you want to delete, move your mouse over that label in the left sidebar. When you hover over it, you should see a small icon with 3 vertical dots appear next to the label name. These 3 dots indicate more options. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot menu to open a small drop-down menu with actions you can perform on that label. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Delete Label. This option might be near other actions like editing the label name or changing its color, but you want the one specifically for deleting. Click on Delete Label to start the removal process. In many cases, Protonmail will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this label just to prevent accidental clicks. Read the confirmation message carefully so you're sure you're removing the correct label. If everything looks right, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the label will disappear from the left sidebar. Any emails that previously had that label attached will remain in your inbox or other folders. They just won't carry that label anymore. If you have more labels to remove, simply repeat this process. Find the label on the left, hover over it, click the 3 dots, and choose Delete Label. By going through each label one at a time, you can quickly tidy up your Protonmail organization and keep only the labels that you actively use.